Solidarity forever.
Ona thengia wa aruti a wira a ugima wa mwiri kuma kaunti-ini ithathatu gukorwo matamukirite micara ya makiria ma mieri 3, ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niyuritie aruti wira aya kunanira njung'wa na thirikari cia kaunti niguo kwaririria ndeto ino. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha oritie arigitani kwaga guthararia mihang'o ya uheani wa motungata na metikire kuhe mweke thirikari cia kaunti igacirithie kuria kuogomu na ningi gwetha kihonia gia thina uria ukoretwo kuo.
Health is devolved. Service delivery is done by the counties. We at the national level provide policies, guidelines and directives. So when it comes with a relation between an employer and employee, especially for the health workers in the counties, then their employer is the county. So what we are doing as the Ministry of Health then is to mediate and negotiate.
Hamwe noguo minister nieranirie ati kanju ya guthikiriria makaya maruti wira aya mathibitari-ini ni igukorwo igithondekwo iria kuhitukira ministry igukorwo igietha kihonia kia mamwe ma mateta mao.
That there must be some form of harmonization in terms of how we deal with them. There must be some form of management of their welfare, besides the counties doing what they are doing.
Nakhumicha aritie riria aruti wira kuma kaunti-ini ithathatu matakoretwo makiamukira micara, ndeto iria ikoretwo igicungiriria kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU kuruta mikana ya kugomera wira nginyagia riria micara iyo irirekererio.
Counties cannot use healthcare workers and their salaries that is budgeted for the whole period to be a point of bargain on their issues. Pay the healthcare workers, and if they can't manage it, they should push it back to the national.
They are not foreigners in this country. They live in this country. His Excellency the President has said, as a country, we are in a bad state in terms of the economy. So it's for them to allow discussions to continue and for the President to steer the country towards economic recovery.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.